Hi guys, it's Corey from Crafty Corey in Canada. Please bear with me as this is my first time speaking on a video. My co-workers, not my co-workers, the design team members, they all are much more adept at speaking than I am. So I have been playing along with some prompts with Tammy, our newest design team member at Paper Nest Crafts, and she was throwing me some curveballs, some prompts, and we've been playing with the same paper, which is a kit from Dash of Dave called MINERVA. So to get right on to this, I liked her. I said, look at her. That's MINERVA. Anyway, so I'm just going to flip through this and try to let you know what some of the prompts were as I go along. MINERVA's a gorgeous digital from Dave. And to just add it, this is one of his HOI POLLOI people. Check out Dave's webpage. His kits have all been moved over to Kofi from Etsy. Please check out Dave's kits. He'll be glad. Please tell him I sent you. This was one of the challenges. Paint splatters. I did that outside in the heat that we've been having here in Canada. I do hope it's cooler where you are. It's hot and it's humid. Kitty. But it was a fun challenge and a little way to get to know Tammy a little bit better. Tammy's in the States, I'm in Canada. Dave and Brian are both in England. Please, I'm going to list all the descriptions, links in my descriptions. So you can find Dave, you can find Brian, and yeah, please give them a follow, give them a like. Little channels like ours love hypes, we love likes, we love comments, and if there's anything you want to see on Dash of Dave's channel or listen to on his podcast, which is on Sunday nights, please let us know, because the podcast is fun, it's hilarious. Dave writes all of his own songs, all of his own lyrics. One of them's called Just One More Pocket. My theme's probably more Just One More Tag. I'm tag obsessed. Sorry. I just absolutely love making tags. So, another one of the prompts was use antique vintage. I've used a lot of vintage. This is from an old catalog. Another tag. And the first prompt was, or curveball was, you make a scrappy pad, which is a great way to kill your scrap pile. Well, not kill it, but another one was use something from nature. These are actually weeds in my yard. Weeds can be lovely too. The kit itself is just fun to work with, and you can't go wrong with Dave's kits. Some of them are pretty. There's so much variety in his kits. So, and I want to thank everybody, those of you that have followed me from day one on my channel, which is over 100 people now. I thank you. I really appreciate all the follows, those of you that leave absolutely wonderful comments for such a little channel like mine. Oh, so use something ugly. Well, I'm not a pink person, and this 1980s lace, not my thing. But, so Tammy's down in the States. Her channel is Tammy at the Paper Nest Crafts. If I haven't said that, I think I said that, didn't I? I think I said that. And she does lovely videos, and she does a lot of videos. And I'm amazed at, she's a teacher, but she does quite a few videos. Obviously she's off right now for the summer, but she's very talented. So getting to know her a little bit better, as well as you can when you live far from somebody and in another country, although the States is right there. It's not that close. So yeah, just played along with my usual. I think I have a style. Do I have a style? I'm calling it a style. Anyway, my usual ways that I do things, lots of tags. My little, love my paper bags. I like to have one of those in every single journal. This lady is Minerva's friend. The paper's printed so well on the digital is printed so well on the photo paper. And if it looks like there's a wind, there is a wind in here because I just put a little tiny fan. I'm in my shed. I just got the Amazon man just came over just now and brought me a fan for my light socket because it has been hot. There's wildfires burning northern Ontario. I'm in southern Ontario, but we're getting all the smoke from the fires, so it looks, the air is foggy, and there's warnings out there for people that have breathing problems for today, but hopefully everybody's staying safe. So that's just about it. Wait, one more tag. So do check out Dave's podcast. You'll get a kick out of Dave, and his music is amazing. The audience favorite is called One More Pocket, and as a crafter, when you listen to it, you will get that. So that's it for me for today on my first talkie video. Hope you liked it, and please leave me a comment, and thank you to everyone that's followed me for a couple of years that I've been on here, and for watching my videos and my flip throughs. Thanks, and bye for now.